Select the audio part of the clip in the timeline and press the keyboard shortcut G to bring up the audio gain window. And make sure the Adjust Audio Gain By section is enabled. And if we add a positive number like 4, it will increase the volume of your clip by 4 decibels. And if we add a negative number like -4, it will decrease the volume of your clip by 4 decibels. You can also change the volume of your clip by going to the Properties panel. Select the audio clip in the timeline and go to the Properties panel and go to Volume and adjust the volume of your clip to your choosing. Another way to increase the volume of a clip is by pressing the left and right bracket keys on the keyboard. The right bracket key will increase the volume of your clip by 1 decibel. And if we press on the left bracket key, it will decrease the volume of your clip by 1 decibel. And this is how you increase or decrease the volume in Premiere Pro. I'd like to give a shout out to Edit Stock for providing the footage in today's tutorial. Click on the link in the description and use promo code Saxon Creative to get 20% off.